During this short film, we will show you the full cycle of purchasing a financial product via LiveBank. The system is available for all platforms, so the customer can connect to the bank agent using any equipment on hand. In this example, a conversation with a bank agent is initiated from the main website of the bank. But the same can be accomplished using mobile banking and/or internet banking applications. Not only video, but also audio and text chat channels are available as well. As you can see, it is also possible to choose the topic of the conversation, so the customer call will be directed to an appropriate group of agents. The system is very efficient and can run over different connections, adapting to the available bandwidth. After checking the connection, the system routes the call to an appropriate group of agents, and the customer waits for an agent to pick up the video call. During that time, a bank advertisement can be presented, either video or a static image, and it can easily be configured by bank staff. In this case, the customer has requested a call from the main website of the bank in order to have a targeted offer prepared, so the agent needs to authenticate the customer to get access to his portfolio. The agent triggers the authorization procedure, and the customer is prompted to enter a login and password. Other authentication mechanisms available at banks, such as one-time text message passwords, voice biometrics, and others, can be easily integrated and used with LiveBank. The customer is asking for a personal loan, and the agent is selecting a loan simulator. The agent and customer can both change the interactive values to negotiate the terms of the loan. During the conversation, various graphical tools can be used to make the collaboration very efficient and seamless. When the customer is satisfied with the proposed offer, the agent can send along a simulation link and the terms and conditions. The customer can save them for further review. After finishing the session, the customer can see a summary of the call, including the files and links that were exchanged during the call with the agent. The customer can also fill out a short survey. The elements to be displayed on the call summary page can easily be changed by bank staff. 2 days later, the customer is willing to close the deal started via the LiveBank internet application. The customer would like to continue from where they stopped last time, but is now using a tablet. The customer is connected to the same agent who presents the terms and conditions that were agreed during the previous session. As an example, in order to finalize the transaction, the agent may ask the customer to send a missing document. Instead of handing over a paper document to the bank, the customer takes a photo of it during the session and sends it via LiveBank to the agent, which speeds up the whole process. The agent receives the document, displays it on the screen, and confirms to the customer that the purchase of the loan can now be finalized, because the information and required documents have been collected. The agent triggers the authorization of the transaction by opening a pop-up authorization panel and sending a text message code to the customer's mobile phone. The code is entered by the customer in the text panel and is verified by back-end systems and confirmed by the agent, and the sale of the personal loan is finished. The agent informs the customer that the money will be transferred to the current account immediately.